Hey y'all, it's Miso. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I'm going to show you how to do something real good. I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade gyros. Some of you call them gyros, but these are going to be made from lamb and they're going to be made from scratch. Looky, Miss Cookie. How you like that? I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that we need, or really all of the things that we need to make this with. Here I have some chopped up onions. I have here some English cucumber. I have some Dale's steak seasoning sauce, but you don't have that, just go ahead and use your regular Worcestershire sauce. You don't have to go buy it. I got some chopped up bell peppers, red, green, and red ones. I got a few crushed red pepper flakes. I got some crushed up garlic there. And I just got some more little stuff in these cups, like cumin and coriander and oregano and some garlic and salt and a little bit of mint. We're going to be using all these things. Don't you worry about it though, honey, because I'm going to put all this in my recipe. You're going to go to my website, click on that, you go to my website, and you're going to be able to print it off, and it's free. You're going to have all the ingredients written down for you and the measurements, and as I said, it is free. That link is in the description box right under this video. Okay, so we've got these spices and all these things. This is actually so good. I worry when I go to places and they cut out that little shaved meat for me. I don't know what that stuff is. But look here. I got lamb shoulder, very thin slices. And I got my big old ninja here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna begin to just use this as a food processor, and I'm going to process this meat and make it really, really fine, almost to a paste, really. And I'm going to go and start putting these things in, all the seasonings. That was my garlic and the onions. I'm going to put the Dale's seasoning. As I said, you put Worcestershire if you don't want to use the Dale's. Bell peppers. Then you got the oregano and you got the cumin. Oh, man. You got your little bell pepper flakes. Yes. You got your coriander and all this stuff. Now we're going to just give it a good old whirl in this food processor. I am putting in the juice of a fresh 1/2 of a lemon. Y'all take a look at that and see how it's supposed to look. Do any of y'all remember potted meat back from when we were kids? It looks sort of like that. So I've got this nice little casserole dish, and I'm going to spray it with my vegetable spray. And I'm going to go ahead and get all of this meat, and I'm going to put it in here. This is just the lamb and the seasonings that they're raw. Going to put it in here in this casserole dish, and I'm going to get it into my oven, and I'm going to let it bake about 50 minutes. Smooth it out here so it's real nice. Put it in this waiting, preheated 350-degree oven. It's been 50 minutes. Got it out. Look at that. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and make this tzatziki sauce. Now, if you love tzatziki sauce from the restaurants, that's good. But you're going to get miso style tzatziki sauce today, and it is absolutely delicious. So here I'm grating that English cucumber, and I've got it all grated up here. I have some Greek yogurt. I'm putting in salt and pepper and lemon juice and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just a little. You see that little dash I put in? That little baby dash? That's all you need. Gonna put in some garlic, and you're putting in onion powder. And this is also some minced garlic I'm putting in along with the garlic powder. And now I'm just mixing this all up. Ooh, I wish you could smell it. It really smells good. But I've had it before, so I know it really tastes good. And then you just cut your meat off. Now, if you don't want to fry it, you don't have to, but I like to put a little oil in the pan and come back and just brown these pieces of meat that are going to go into my gyro. Getting these up, and we're going to be eating in just a minute. Yeah. So here are my pocket breads, and I've got some spinach and some tomato in there, and I just put my meat, my gyro meat, my lamb. Oh my goodness. Oh, Lord. Now, y'all, I'm telling you, you've been eating these gyros from these other places. You just been half eating gyros, because gyros are wonderful. They're so good. And that tzatziki sauce, man, it's to live for. Oh, yeah. Hey, guys, I want to thank you for coming by and checking on me today. You wanted to see what I was doing, and you knew that I would be throwing down. I hope I did not disappoint. If you subscribe to my channel, thank you, thank you. If you're not, please hit that red button and then the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and here, of course, on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up, guys. That'll help move me forward in the algorithm. I really need that. And I just want to tell you guys, a lot going on in the world today. Don't forget to pray because God is ruler over all. No matter how things look, God is the ruler. But make sure that you love yourself. Take care of yourself. Don't fear, don't fret, honey. Love yourself. You'll be better able to love others then. And guess what? Show them your love by sharing your food. That's right. Show them your love by sharing your food. Y'all, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.